In this lesson, we'll talk a little bit about applications of operations on matrices. So we have Bob's Burger Shack that sells 3 kinds of burgers with 3 kinds of buns, and the number of burger combinations sold is represented by the first matrix, matrix A. So we have turkey burgers, veggie burgers, beef burgers, and then wheat, rye, and white buns. The price of each burger combination is given by matrix B. So turkey is $3.50, no matter which of the 3 types of buns you use. Veggie is $3.25, and a beef burger is $4.25. So now we're going to find BA, which of course means B times A, and then interpret its meaning in the context of the question. So B obviously is a 1 by 3 matrix, and A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So we can in fact multiply them, and the resulting will be a 1 by 3. So BA will be a 1 by 3. And I'm going to leave lots and lots of space. And remember, that means I'm going to take this row and turn it into a column. So this is going to be 3.5, 3.25, and 4.25, which means for my very first one, I'm taking 3.5 times 12 plus 3.25 times 20 plus 4.25 times 1. I'm going to add all of that up, and that's going to be my first solution. Then I'm going to take 3.25 times 11, or sorry, 3.5 times 11, plus 3.25 times 2, plus 4.25 times 11. And then my last one, I'm going to use my last column. So 3.5 times 14, plus 3.25 times 5, plus 4.25 times 25. I'm going to find all of those solutions, and that will be my matrix BA. So my resulting matrix is 111.25, 91.75, 171.5. Now, what does all of that mean? Well, it all goes back to my original columns. So this was wheat, and this was rye, and this was white. So we can see that we make a total of 111.25 on wheat bread. So whatever the burger is, it doesn't matter. We make 91.75 on rye and 171.50 on white bread. Here is an application question for you to try, one we haven't done before. So we have the triangle. We're going to write the coordinates as matrix A, and then you're going to find the product of -1, 0, 0, 1 times A and determine what that would do to the graph. Press play once you've done the question to check your work. So the first thing I will do is write matrix A, which are the coordinates of the points, and it doesn't matter the order I put them in. I'm going to use 1, 0, 3, 3, and 7, 0. That's matrix A. They asked me to then find the product of that, which is a 3 by 2, times A, which is a 2 by 2. So I'm taking 1, 3, 7, 0, 3, 0, multiplied by this. So if this is a 3 by 2 and this is a 2 by 2, I'm going to end up with a 3 by 2 again. So I'm going to turn 1, 0, just like that. So that's -1 plus 0, which is -1. This is 0 plus 0, so that's 0. Then I'm going to use 3, 3 and do the same thing. So -3 plus 0, which is -3. And then 0 plus 3, which is 3. And then on my last one, I'm going to use 7, 0. So -7 plus 0, which is -7. And 0 plus 0, which is 0. So 1, 0 is now the point -1, 0. 3, 3 is now the point -3, 3. And 7, 0 is now the point -7, 0. So if I looked at my new triangle, it appears the effect on the graph is that it got reflected over the y-axis. So I took the triangle and I flipped it to the opposite side.